Well, I finished it. Over 2,564 rounds. And 3 were not able to clear the military crimp. You can see it right there on the top between my fingers. And of course, the very last one gets stuck. Yeah, so I think I've experienced every major problem that people had with this. Most of it was my error at the beginning because I'd never used this before. I use a Lee Loader set. But now that I know what the issue was and that I use an improvised device, as you saw in the previous video, now it's just time to sort this out one by one right there and ream these motherfuckers out. So I've got to do this over 2,500 times. I really wish they had the RCBS or the Frankfurt Arsenal tool. That could have come in handy. As for this, basically just got to remove the top, remove the decapper pin, and just shove it right through. I won't bother filming that. I'll be too busy swearing. So after I clean off the pockets, tumbler, then the dryer, then I'll set up the other 2 dies, the powder, which is there, and the bullet season die, and start making over 2,500 9mm rounds. And of course, I got a box of 1,000. A bag of 1,000. So, oh, I forgot. I bent one. So, over 2,500 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ended up being not usable. Not a bad count. Thank you, YouTube. Now it's off to remove the casing.